Now, number two is cash flow. So a lot of us investors, we're always very focused on the dollars that are coming back to us every single month based off of what we invested into that rental property. And I'm gonna go just really low ball here because I've been doing this for 10 years and I know that there are some properties that will cash flow $400 a month, some will cash flow $300, some will cash flow $250. I'm gonna go really low on the cash flow and say that after all the expenses are paid, the monthly cash flow out of a rental property is $150, right? So we're gonna take $150 and we're gonna multiply that by 12 months, and that comes up to $1,800. Ladies, is that profit? Yeah.